All right, guys, welcome back. We're continuing on here, and we've got pretty much, I think, the majority, if not all, of our code completed. We just need to add in the images that we have for this, and then maybe we'll tweak the interface a bit and make sure that everything is the way we like. So let's hop over to the files area here, and we're going to open the assets of the app. Now that's interesting. Why am I not getting anything here? Huh. Oh, okay. I see what's happening. Go back here. There we go. That's what we want. So right now we just have the Shiba Inu and the white paw for the logo. So let's add the rest of the items here. I'm going to add all of the dogs that we originally wanted in here.